Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today, I'm excited to dive into Sheetify Flow. This is a completely free Google Workspace add-on that we created for Sheetify CRM users. Essentially, Sheetify Flow connects all our Sheetify toolkits together to enable automations between each of these toolkits. I'm going to share how to automate the data flow of completed sales and transactions from our Sheetify CRM Google Sheets template to our bookkeeping template under income. Alright, let's see how this is done with our free Sheetify Flow Google Workspace add-on. To use Sheetify Flow, you want to have access to 2 or 3 of our templates. The majority of our automations are between the CRM and bookkeeping toolkit. Okay, so to install Sheetify Flow, simply open up this sidebar here. You'll notice this little sidebar panel arrow down here. Simply click it to expand the sidebar and then click on this Get Add-ons. Then navigate up here and search for Sheetify Flow. Then simply navigate down to Install. Choose the Google account that you're using. Navigate down to Continue. These are the permissions that Sheetify Flow needs in order to set up automations between your sheets. Come down, click on Allow, and just like that, Sheetify Flow has been installed. And you can find Sheetify Flow under Extensions. Let's come down and click on Done and close out of this. And you might need to refresh the page. Navigate up to Extensions and then come down to Sheetify Flow and click on Show Sidebar. Okay, so how can we use Sheetify Flow? First, we need to navigate over to Settings, then navigate down to Sheetify CRM URL and add your URL in here. Simply navigate up here, copy this entire URL. It doesn't matter what sheet you're on, and then go ahead and paste that in here. Then do the same with Sheetify Bookkeeping. For example, I'm going to jump over to Sheetify Bookkeeping and then copy the URL. Again, it doesn't matter what sheet you're on inside your template. Then head back, paste in the URL, and do the same with Sheetify Projects, and paste in the URL. Then simply save URLs. As you can see, URLs have been saved successfully. Now, if you only have Sheetify CRM and Bookkeeping, then just paste in those URLs. Then all we need to do is navigate down here and choose the automation type that we want to enable. I'm going to activate CRM automations, click on Activate CRM. As you can see, individual CRM automations are ready to be set up. And that's going to redirect you to the automations page and enable completed transactions to bookkeeping. Now let's navigate over to transactions and then navigate up here and you can see the details from orders and transactions, the product or service, the account name that this order is associated to, SKU if any, quantity, then you can see the transaction status is 1, and then we have all these other details. Okay, so the invoice has been paid. Now I want to change the status to completed. Now let's jump into bookkeeping again and then jump over to income and you'll see that transaction date. And the date is when you triggered that automation. So that's today. The ID has been sent across as well as the item, product, service, as well as the sales amount. And then notes over here. Again, all we need to do is now reconcile this transaction. This was a web service and it's as simple as that. That's how you can send transaction details from Sheetify CRM over to Sheetify Bookkeeping. Pretty cool, huh? Let's navigate back over to Sheetify CRM. And just like that, you have learned how to send completed sales transaction data from Sheetify CRM to income inside Sheetify Bookkeeping. If you want to learn about all the different automations that you can set up with Sheetify Flow, I will add a full tutorial up above and down below in the description for you to check out. And that is it for this Sheetify Flow tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care.